year. Meanwhile, here in Ohio, Democrats are looking to take new measures to address gun violence. 10 TV's Carla Rogner is live inside the State House where legislators gathered for the first ever gun violence prevention summit. Carla?
Yeah, Democrats hosted panels today with lawmakers, law enforcement agents, judges, and community members, all discussing ways to tackle gun violence in the community. They also introduced a package of 5 new bills that they say will help them achieve this goal by keeping guns away from children and dangerous people. Groups from across Ohio at the State House are collaborating on ways to tackle gun violence. Lisa DeJetter is raising awareness for the link between domestic violence and guns.
Everything that this conference is talking about, safe storage laws, extreme risk protection orders, waiting periods, better background checks, all of these kind of things. We need to keep weapons out of the hand of people who've already proven that they don't treat their family appropriately, they engage in violent acts.
Each bullet on this map represents a domestic violence victim shot and killed in 1 year in Ohio.
We know 85 of the 112 fatalities last year were as a result of gun violence, and so we changed where all those deaths were to bullets so that people can actually see where people were shot to death.
One of 5 bills announced here looks to respond to her concerns by preventing people convicted of first-degree domestic violence misdemeanors from having a weapon.
This bill provides needed safeguards for communities. Survivors of interpersonal violence are at a significantly increased risk for violence, sometimes even death, when their abuser is in possession of a firearm.
Another proposed bill would declare gun violence to be a public health crisis. It's the leading cause of death in children.
We really focus on this as a safety issue, not a gun issue, but a safety issue to keep all children across Ohio safe.
3 other bills call for common sense concealed carry, universal background checks, and the creation of an Ohio task force on gun violence. People here who have been advocating for gun safety legislation feeling hopeful to see this collaboration.
Just awareness and how important common sense gun legislation is.
The bill to declare gun violence a public health crisis is the only bipartisan bill with 1 Republican signed onto it of all the bills that were introduced today. I'm told Republicans were invited to this event, but were not here. I did reach out to representatives for Ohio Republicans, but I have yet to hear back. Live at the State House, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.
Carla.